Hey, today we're going to play an app on our cell phone called Mini Golf Stars 2. This is like a miniature golf game or putt-putt. Let's see how it works. There's your app. Log in or tap to enter. I'm going to put my initials. Single player, multiplayer, streak. I'll probably play the single player. Let's see what the settings have. Top picks. Laser aim. Play level 1. Let's go. Loading. Looks like high scores, doesn't it? Let's play this level. Come on, let us play. Alright, here we go. How to play. It shows you. Pull back for power. Right there. Oh, missed. Too hard, too. Look at there. Man, I might be able to put it out from there. Oops, that wasn't hard enough, was it? Takes a little getting used to here. There we go. Level 2. Let's see. Yeah, level 2. Here we go. Ooh, this is around the corner here. Yeah, you're going to have to play with it a little bit to figure out how hard to hit it. You can turn the screen just by pulling it around like that, see? You see where you're going. Yeah, I'm still going to have to angle it off. I got to learn how to hit it hard, I guess, too. Oops, that was an operator error there. There we go. There we go. Took a 4 on a par 3. Wow. Level 3. Oh, right. What is this? Like a Hot Wheels track. That wasn't a bad shot, was it? Took a 2. Par 3. All right. See what we can do here. This is a real hard. Whoa, right out in the water. Well, that's a little hard. Maybe not quite so hard here. There we go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, could have hit it a little harder, couldn't I? Now we're stuck. Get it out where we can see where we're going now. Oh, didn't hit it hard enough to get it over the hill. I was a whole lot better than this putt-putt when I was a kid, so. Oh, I hit it too hard. Wow. That wasn't hard enough. Until this is my first time to play this. Go in there. I can't seem to hit it easy enough. Yes, trouble is I couldn't tap it in. Took a 10 on a par 4. Wow. And here's one of their ads. Level failed. We got to try that one again. Alright, let's see if we can do a little better this time. Yeah, right out in the water again. Maybe not. I guess you got to sit down and figure out angles to shoot it and all that. So boing, right behind the wall. See if we can put this in for just a bogey. Yay! One over. All right. Level 5. Oh my gosh, what is this? Rocks to hit and go around. It's a maze. I just hadn't figured out how far to pull that thing back. What is this? Another ad? Get out of the way. And now what? Let's try right over here. Darn it, yeah, that wasn't it. That was pretty close. There we go. We'll be up to 5 on the par 6. All right. 6. Oh wow, big hill climb here. Another hill climb, which we didn't make it up. Alright, let's see if we can get over this hill. Alright. Still got a chance to birdie this hole. There we go. There we go. R4, we'll put it in 3. Level 7. Wow, look at that big corner up there. Yeah, we get part of the way. So, okay. Straight shot at the hole just over the hill. Get in that hole. Oh, almost. Got a par. Another ad. Some of these you can't get out of till they're finished. Bible coloring paint by number. There we go. Level 3? No, level 8. There we go. I must hit the wrong thing there. Well, that wasn't it. So I got to go back to my pool shooting days and figure out angles and stuff, huh? There we go. Let's shoot around the corner like this. There we go. Oh, it went out though. Darn. Now what? Well, I got one more to hit par, and I can't even see the hole yet. And at least we got over those hills. Now, obviously, this is not one of your easy gimme games, okay? It takes a little practice. Yeah, well, we're out in the sand trap. Didn't even know that was there. Right in the water. I don't know if I'm going to get to the hole on this one. I'm at 9. I can't even get to the hole yet. There we go. Woo! I still can't see the hole. And 12 on a par 5 and don't even see the hole yet. Another one of them sand traps. Oh, got over that one. Where's the hole? How do you get down there to it? Well, if I had a sand wedge, I could get to it. They're going to make me play this one again. Stopped right on top of the hill, didn't it? Out. Yep. Well, I don't like this hole. I know it's obviously me, not the hole, but all right, start me over. Well, I'm at 20. I actually see the hole, but I can't get to it. Right out in the water. In the grass. I think I can get to the hole here if I aim right. Nope. Finally. Level failed. What a surprise. What is this? Well, I think I've had enough for now. I'm gonna exit this game and go back to the phone. There we are. See you next time.